What's up, everybody? It's your boy DJ Ron the Mechanic back with another video. So today I'm here to talk to y'all about the wires up under the hood of your vehicle. And what I'm getting at is, you ever notice like how your car kind of drags a little bit, or maybe SUV, when it's time to start your car up or truck, whatever? So the Lincoln Aviator that we have was doing that. So what I decided to do, okay, let me get up under the hood and let me check, see what's going on. So I got my multimeter out, checked the battery. Battery was showing pretty good voltage. So I'm like, okay, kind of examined the cables a little bit, and I kind of noticed that the endpoints of the cables was kind of green, like kind of corroded like. So by running into that problem one time before, so what I decided to do was, hey, I'm gonna change these cables out and see what goes from there. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did. All right, so I'm under the hood. So what I did, I completely removed the factory ground cable, and also I ran a new positive cable from the alternator. So pretty much both ends of the cables for each one was pretty much kind of green corroded looking, whatever. So right off the bat, I'm already thinking that, hey, this right here is kind of limiting the voltage that's coming through that line in order for enough for the car, a truck, whatever, to crank up. So I went ahead and changed that out. As you can see, I went big on this one. I wasn't playing. Got me some sky high audio cable, 0 gauge. That's right. I went big with it, like I said. So I ran my new ground, and I ran my new positive right there, as you can see. And it's connected to the alternator, which is hid up underneath the cover right here. I have like 2 bolts that I had to take off up top in order for to even show you. But I ran a new line, like I said, from the alternator to the battery, and also changed out the ground. Now, in car audio, this is pretty much known as the big 3, where you changing out the factory ground, the cable coming from the alternator, and you changing out another ground, which is like 3 wires altogether. So on this here, I only did just these 2. I haven't got to my third one yet. And I noticed, I seen it earlier, it was a cable on that side of the engine somewhere. I think like down below, whatever. But the results came out good. By me changing those out, putting these new ones on, I mean, good thick quality cable right here. So when I cranked up the truck, it jumped straight off. It didn't lag at all. And just think about this, y'all. Same battery. I didn't change out the battery at all. All I did was change the wires. That's all I did. Change out the wires. That old corroded cable that was on there from the factory. Now, the factory ought to be ashamed of itself, man. I mean, they put some of the smaller cable, which looks like about, maybe 6 gauge wire, whatever, something like that. I mean, for to handle that type of current, whatever, coming through your battery from the alternator and all that, and then starting up your vehicle. I'm like, come on now. I mean, even though I don't have a audio system in this truck, but still though, bad wires can pretty much shut down any vehicle, pretty much. If those ends are bad, you can guarantee you're not getting your proper voltage for your car, truck for the start off. And in this case here, in which I don't have any lights being left on at all, nothing on in the truck, and the battery sounded like it was kind of like struggling a little bit to jump the truck off. those bad cables was the cause. Because once I installed these here, this truck jumped off like boom. Hey, I'm ready to go. I was like, wow. So yes, y'all, cables make a difference. Now this year, this right here is 2005 right here. So hey, if y'all still have any cars from 2005 to 2010, whatever, hey, you might want to check your cables out real good, you know. Hey, even if you don't have an audio system in your car, hey, still, I suggest upgrade those wires and then compare the performance of your car or truck starting with the new wires compared to those factory wires that's been on there since day one. Just saying, now newer cars, y'all don't have to worry about that. But always remember though, now if you add in an audio system to your ride, I suggest, hey, I don't care what nobody say. If you adding a high-powered audio system to your vehicle, upgrade your cables up under the hood. Do it. Upgrade your cables and make sure you have a good battery and nice alternator. Upgrade your cables, y'all. It'll save you a lot of headache in the long run. Trust and believe. Do it. Because think about it. The wires that come from the factory, they only made to hold a certain amount of current, you know. So if you go in there and heck, add your big 1,000-watt amplifier and trying to pull all that power from something small as 6 gauge watt, man, you're not getting the right performance out of your system. Don't even waste your time like that. Go ahead and replace your cables, y'all. Do it. Replace your cables. Now these here, these are some sky high audio cables, 0 gauge. Now I bought these off of eBay. I paid what it was. I paid $45. So pretty much it was part of a big three upgrade kit. Pretty much what it was. So it comes with what it is, it comes with one positive cable. They're like 3 feet long. And it came with 2 grounds, which is also the same length, 3 feet long. Hey, that was long enough for to reach my alternator, which is like mounted right. I think if this cover was off, you'll see it is mounted right up under here. So that was way more than enough cable needed for to make that run. So yes, like I said, y'all, upgrade your cables. Especially y'all know wintertime coming. Wintertime will definitely let you know if you got a good battery or not. If that battery's not good and it gets, say, like between 25 and 30 degrees, you go out there trying to crank your car up and she dragging, buddy, you better check it out. Check it out. So just a little tip for y'all, just to let y'all know why I decided to upgrade the cables on here. So, hey, as a result, look, I'm definitely happy. I mean, the truck is like, cranking up like I got a brand new battery now. I mean, I'm super excited about that. But it's just so amazing, man, how a corroded cable can pretty much limit the current of your car or truck trying to start, y'all. But yep, that's pretty much it, y'all. That's all I wanted to pretty much show y'all. The little work that I did, just giving y'all a little tip. Show y'all again, look how nice that looked there. And yes, I did this all myself, y'all. Put all that on there, the covering, all that there. So yep, that is it. So this DJ Ron the Mechanic. Hey, look, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I appreciate all my subscribers out there. So this DJ Ron the Mechanic, hey, I'm out. Appreciate it.